Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch has at least 30% charge and is powered on in pairing mode. Open FitPro on your phone and sign in. Once done, grant location, notifications, and storage permissions so the app can detect and sync. Make sure phone Bluetooth is active and not connected to other devices. After that, keep both devices close, within 1 meter, so discovery completes quickly and you can proceed to add the device in the app. You'll now pair and initiate the sync. In FitPro, tap devices, then add device and choose the correct watch model. The list may show similar names, so pick precisely. Once the app finds the watch, you'll see a numeric code. Confirm it on the watch and in the app to pair securely. After pairing, allow any recommended firmware updates and grant access to contacts, calendar, and health data. This ensures notifications and activity sync work properly. Finally, wait for initial data transfer to finish before closing the app. You wrap up by verifying that time, step count, and notifications are updating on the watch. Customize the watch face and notification settings inside FitPro to your preference. Test call and message alerts and check heart rate or workout sync. If data lags, give the watch a quick reboot and reopen FitPro. If pairing fails, try toggling phone Bluetooth, force closing FitPro and clearing its cache. Then restart your phone and the watch. This resolves most connection glitches so you can pair cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.